Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy my content and my videos, please take a second when you come in to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and then you're helping me grow on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right. This is a really exciting month. It's the month of February, and on the 8th, which is Monday, is the day where we get to do our choice items. If you haven't seen what those are, I will link a video that I just did down below, which gives you a lot of the information that you might be looking for about the products and what some of the choices are. So like I said, I'll link that in the description box down below. I also currently have a giveaway going on, so I will link that in the description box down below as well. But today is the day that I wanted to share with you because I didn't know about this, and whenever I found out some information, I love to take the time to sit down and share it with you guys. So Boxycharm had on their homepage where it says fall in love with some daily deals, and I didn't understand that because I know Ipsy has always, with the shopper, has a daily deal, and it's something I always do my best to remember to go in to see what's on special for that day. And with Ipsy, they also keep it on a little bit longer. So I wanted to see, it intrigued me to find out what this is all about, when it starts, and so on and so forth. So let's go through this together and see if some of the information that we can share. Like I said, when we do this, if there's products that you used and you enjoy, and this is the best deal that you've seen for it, or if you've seen it less expensive elsewhere, please leave it in the comments down below. That's where we all share with each other as the True Ones community. Okay, so now it's asking if we want to explore our sneak peeks, and it says nothing says love you like up to 80% off retail. I can't agree more. And it says here's a peek at some daily deals in the February pop-up store. So as you know, on the 8th, after we do our choices, we're going to be put into the pop-up. Those are individual items that you can look for some sneak peeks on the site as well to see a few. There really wasn't anything much yet in there, but this really intrigued me because I didn't know about this extra bonus of the daily deals from February the 8th to the 12th. It says they want us to check back every day for major markdowns on some amazing deals. So Monday, besides the pop-up, they're going to be having these extra deals, which are called tech deals. So they have, it looks like, I don't know what this VBX massage gun is. Like I said, as we go through this, if this is new to me and you guys have had the opportunity to try these products, please share in the comments down below because we do share with one another. The Teamy Blends is a portable smoothie blender. Then they have this from Infinity. It's a sonic therapy neck device, rose gold. From Skin Inc., it looks like they have something with Trilite. I really don't know much about any of these products. Soleil, I think if you're getting Luxe, this might be an option based on the information in my video that I just did the other day. Like I said, I'll link that down below. And they're saying that you can get it in the pop-ups if you're not getting Luxe for $39.99. The next one is a blow dryer, and this looks like a very familiar Dyson type, and this one is $49.99. Then they have a blowout brush for $49.99. The Fox Bay electric neon flat iron for $39.99. This is the fridge I think they were waiting for. I think Boxycharm even did one of their own. And this is those mini fridges, and that looks like it's going to be $59.99. And then from PYT, it looks like they have a digital flat iron. Another one from Fox Bay, and then it's another product from this Soleil, which is the one which was that brush company. And then from PMD, they have a clean body. This would be new to me. I have the one for the face. Another product from PYD, another styler. And then from Pop Sonic, it looks like they have a Sonic toothbrush for $29.99. So those are additional deals on the 8th. Then on the 9th, they have what they're calling a $5 blowout. And they have spongels in 2 cents for $5 each. The spongels, this is the least expensive place that I have found over the FAB FIT FUN add-ons, all the other ones. When they have spongel, the cheapest place that I've seen to pick it up, where I have as well, they're usually between $4, $5, and $6, is on the Boxycharm add-on or pop-up sales. The next beside it, they have from Tony Moly. They have, it looks like a cleansing wipe kit, and they also have the full retail. Like, it's normally the spongels are 16 for $5. This is 7 for $5. So you can see, you know, based on the percentages, what, you know, it's all about. Then from Fox Bay, they have a Detangler Brush for $5. This square one I do own and I do enjoy it. And I can't believe it's only $5. Then, it's on sale for $5. Then they have this I Do Care. It's a Gloss Easy. Then from MAC Cosmetics, this is another one that in the spring box with FAB FIT FUN, I did not re-sign or renew with FAB FIT FUN. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave that link down below as well. But the reason, this was also one of the reasons why, and a lot of it has to do with the Boxycharm add-ons. You can get MAC lipsticks for $5. And and I've gotten so many from the Boxy add-ons, and I even paid $4 for some. They're all beautiful. The Luster lipstick is amazing. The matte lipsticks are not drying, and the retro matte I'm not familiar with, but I enjoy all MAC lipsticks, and if you have an opportunity to try them and these colors speak to you, then $5 is the way to go. Frank Body is another brand that I got introduced to on Boxycharm that I've really enjoyed. I'm not into coffee scrubs, but I know a lot of you guys are. I have a couple of them in my travel bag so that when I go to a hotel again in the future, that is where I'm planning on using it. So if it does make a bit of a mess, it's not my mess to clean up. So that's where my coffee scrubs are. But the Frank Body, I have tried some of their lotions and I've really enjoyed them, and I got those in the add-on sale. The next day is Wednesday, February the 10th, and this is the Buy Two, Save Big. And these are phenomenal deals. Murad, this exfoliating cleanser, excellent. And for $20 for 2, amazing. Saturday Skin, this is their Power Serum. I have not had the opportunity to try this yet, and this is a $30 for the 2. Kate Somerville, another fantastic brand. This is her daily foaming cleanser for 2 of them for $30, I think is a steal. Then from Luxie, you looks like brush sets. These are unbelievable. These look to me like before Christmas sales, and I cannot believe this. Then it is from Grown Alchemist. This was another reason why the FAB FIT FUN is not going to be seen on my channel for a bit. This was, I can get 2 of them for $20, and these are very expensive, and they are fantastic. The next one here is Iconic London, the Blazer Chaser Face Palette. I do own this. I do enjoy this, and I cannot believe that you can get one for yourself or one for a friend, and you're getting both of these for $20. Then it looks like they have from Sutra Beauty, they have some mini tourmaline ceramic curling wands, and these are $15 for the 2. Glow Recipe is in here, and this is their Papaya Sorbet Cleansing Balm, and you're getting 2 of them for $30. Next beside it, there is from Elemis, 2 Elemis products for $30. This is their Plumping Pillow Facial. And then the be all and end all, which if you have not tried these, they are beyond phenomenal. The 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Face Treatment Mask, a set of 5, which means you're getting 10 for $25. That is the least expensive mask alone, let alone a 111 Skin one, because these are usually really expensive. I am ecstatic that these are in here. Then Thursday, February 11th, they have the BOGO Bonanza. They have from Sweet Chef. This is also a really nice mask. You're getting 2 of them for $3. Then from Soleil de Janeiro, this is their Cabana Body Cream. This one has more of a coconut scent to me than the orange one. It is nice, but I really prefer the orange one. But if you haven't tried it, $5 is a great deal. Then they have from Glam Glow this cool sheet, some sheet masks. Saturday Skin, again, some sheet masks. Then they have now this Pharmacy Deep Sweep, which we only received so a lot of us might be time for our renewal. To be able to get 2 of them for $12, I think is an absolute steal. Same thing here. The moisture for the eyes, these Murad, I own them. I got a second one and I'm in the middle of that one. These are huge. It takes you a long time to get through them because eye cream, you don't need that much, but this is a really, really good one. And to get 2 of them, Murad, $18, absolute steal. And as you can see, it's 87% off, which means the normal retail on this is $140. But the retails are irrelevant. To pay just $9 for an eye cream with the Murad ingredients is definitely a try, because I've enjoyed it and it's one that I would recommend. This is one of the first products I bought on the first Boxy add-ons, and I enjoy it. It is a dupe for a higher end one, but it's you cannot tell the difference. I'm really enjoy this, and I can't believe you can get 2 for $12, which is amazing. The next is another product from Grown Alchemist. I own this, I enjoy this, I use this, and I can't believe 2 for $9. It's crazy. Another product, the QMS. This is one that I use also. I have one and I already have a backup, so if I didn't, this would definitely have been a choice. But I recommend it. I think it's fantastic. And then the next one beside it, there's some, it says Eye Sculptors by Moda. So I'm assuming those are some brushes. And then Friday, February the 12th, they have some perfect pairs. Pure Heals is a find. I did not know about this product. I learned about this product because of Boxycharm, and I have enjoyed every product that I've had the opportunity to use, as well as purchase in add-ons as well. And this is a toner and a cream. So it's really nice that they're pairing the same brand together, because it's always nice when you have a toner and the cream within the same, and even a serum within the same brand. You get to really see the results that they would like you to see based on you using the same toner, serum, and moisturizer in one brand. So this is the toner and the moisturizer. Very excited about that. Daily Concept has a soap sponge, and it looks like they have 2 types. One that might be with soap, another one I think with charcoal, and that is for $6. Glam Glow. Another fantastic. I own this. This is the Berry Glow. Really enjoyable. And they're giving it with the brushes that we got also in one of our boxes, which makes it so much easier to apply the products and also manipulate the products. So really great duo. Dose of Colors. I own a few of these. These are the most pigmented, beautiful. If you haven't had the opportunity to try them, to be able to get 2, and these colors speak to you for $12, I think is a win. IGK, I own a couple of their products. I have not tried the ones that they're showing on the screen, so like I said, please leave in the comments down below if that is something of interest to you. Milk Makeup, we had the opportunity to get it in a couple of the boxes. I'm enjoying this Milk Makeup brand. Every time I have an opportunity to get something new from them, I am trying it, and I have not been disappointed yet. So if you like this type of product for $12 for 2, I think is great. Trustique, another one. I've had the opportunity to try all the products that they're showing here, and this looks like you're getting their mini summer glow set, which is really beautiful. Then they have the eye duo, which is the mascara and the eye pencil, and this is $12. And I saw a couple of sneak peeks that there's a possibility that the mascara and the eye crayon are going to be in some of our boxes, and I know previously we received the other ones because I already own them. And then the last item here is from Elemis. And this I'm not familiar with at all. It is a skin energizing day cream and night cream for $79. So I love the fact that they are doing these extra bonus deals. So they're going to be on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, as well as Tuesday, and then it all starts off on the Monday. But make sure to do your choices first. Check out your add-ons, and now we have these fantastic extra deals that are going to be coming our way. So they're doing daily deals only from February 8th through the 12th, but they're saying check back every day for major markdowns and amazing deals. So I know last time when they had the pop-up, they kept adding items in. So this is a really exciting time, and now that I'm not getting my FAB FIT FUN box, and in the back of my head, I knew that the pop-up was coming up, and I figured this way I would be able to choose how I wanted to spend my dollars with the products that I think are ones that are going to be heavily discounted, and I love being able to have that luxury of making it my choice. So Once again, I wanted to share this with you in case you guys didn't know. Please leave in the comments down below if you saw anything or know anything about all of this. And as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But also really important during this time, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well. And hopefully we all get our choices and everything that we desire on February the 8th. And it usually starts around 12 noon. All right, Eastern Standard Time. See you soon in my next video. Take care for now.